I'm all fine. Oh, I'm seeing our fire.
There you go. All right, you want to put your backpack on?
Yeah, also can you get my purple car rat?
I will in a minute.
Oh.
Let's go see if we can find a good spot, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Zach, look at this.
Dun, dun, dun. Wait, what is that?
What do you think that is?
A deer leg?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Is that gross?
Yeah, I guess somebody is chopping.
Keep going.
I guess somebody was chopping up a whole deer. Wait!
See that? That's poop.
Ugh.
Look at it. That's poop.
Let me touch it.
There you go.
I'm gonna stab it.
If you taste it, you can tell where they went to.
Ugh.
All right, let's go.
Huh?
Okay. We're gonna need this.
Also, can we take this
take
because
that,
I'm
and then
afraid.
Take it over to our camping spot, and I'm gonna bring this stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Put this one into that piece right there.
The one I'm holding?
Yep. You got it in? Hold it steady.
Got one clip. Dun, dun.
Okay, get this one.
Got it.
All right. Oh.
Hey, stop moving it.
Okay. Set your pole in.
Got grab it and clip.
Okay, hold it in tight, and I'm gonna set mine. All right, Zach, I can get the rest. Can you go get the black blanket, please?
Yeah.
Dig a hole right here.
All right.
There you go.
Make sure you like, subscribe on video.
Right, that should be deep enough, buddy. Here, let me just kind of flatten it out here, because you actually went really deep in there. So
Yeah.
we're just gonna take some of this.
Also, look how big as a pile I made.
Yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. Get the firewood, okay?
Yeah, I'm
That should be enough. Perfect. Do you want me to get the big bundle and you want to get the other ones, or?
You get the big bundles and I get the other ones. Yes.
It's supper time. Come here.
Yeah, That what I was gonna do. Oh, that's a nice grate. Great.
All right, hand me our cooking stick.
Cooker stick. Cooker stick. It's a little sharp. Crisscross applesauce, hands in their way. I'm not actually doing that. Oh, I'm cooking my hot dog, man. Hot dog,
Get her
man.
down lower. There
Hot
you go.
dog, man. A
You're in
hot
that heat.
dog, man. A hot dog, man. Yeah, I'm gonna burn my whole entire hot dog.
Well, don't try, but all right. You ready?
Yep. Oh,
Gentle, because we don't want to break the stick. Okay. You want cheese? That should be fine. There you go, buddy.
it's bleeding, will drip.
It's not. It's okay.
Mmm. It is yummy.
Are you ready for bed, Zach?
Yeah, can I put the fire out?
Alright. You work on that. I'm gonna put. Okay. It'll stop. Stop. It'll go off. Alright, time to get in the tent. And take the boots and bring them inside the tent. You wanna watch Venus and Ferb for a little bit?
I'm gonna do everything.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna watch some of this and then you can eat your cake, okay?
I'm already gonna eat it.
Alright. Are you ready for bed, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the light off.
Sorry, guys.
Alright. Good night, buddy.
Good night.